I don't even know who I am anymore. I've been forgotten about. I have disappeared from the face of the earth, I feel like it seems. Not really, just off the face of YouTube. But, and I want to start this intro over. I want to start this intro over because I was just rambling, because I'm just here. I'm nervous. I don't even know if this is going to go up. But, new year, new me? Maybe? Okay, let's see. Let's try it out. Hello, hello, hello. How are y'all doing? Happy New Year. Happy all the things. Happy 2025. We made it. It's really crazy to think that it's 2025. But hello, welcome back. Just welcome in general. Maybe not welcome back. Maybe this is your first time you being here. Let me stop rambling. Hi, my name is Giselle. I'm a brand and website designer, and this is my YouTube channel, and we're kicking it back off in the new year. I fell off in 2024, mainly because I got a job. So, that took over most of my entire life. If I'm being honest, that took over my entire life. Still taking over my life right now. I'm literally at work right now. But I am wanting to dip the toes back into vlogging, and I am committing to at least one clip a day. If I can get one clip a day and edit it at the end of the week, then that's all I'm asking from myself. That's what I'm asking, and that is what I will receive. That's what I'm going to give myself. So I'm committing to one clip a day. So consider this the main clip for today. It is currently Monday, January 13th of 2025. It's 1:37 p.m. It's the middle of the day. There's nothing like really exciting going on for sure. I went to the dentist. I just got back. So shout out to my shiny teeth and me. And I want to make sure the clips that I show are continuous, like a continuous story, not just like a whole bunch of random clips from the same day, but really just focusing on one moment in time and keeping it right there and not doing more than that. Because if I do more than that, then I'm going to be uploading this and it's just going to get longer and longer, and I'm just going to get more scared to edit it, and then it's not going to go up. So that's what I'm going to promise myself. That's what I'm going to commit myself to, and I'm going to hold myself accountable to it. But vibes happen, and sometimes it doesn't happen. So while I am at work right now, and I should be doing some stuff there, I'm gonna take a moment to do some social media stuff for some of the volunteer work that I do. I volunteer with two organizations, my alumni community and AIGA, which is a professional design community. I'm the social media director for both of them. So I need to post some stuff. I need to be on the stories. I need to be a little active. So I'm about to do that right now. Sometimes it's hard because I get wrapped into my day of doing tasks like admin stuff, either for myself or at work or other stuff that I have to be doing. But I have to remember that I need to log on and literally scroll because it's my job. Technically, it's not my job because I'm not getting paid to do this, but it's my job, I take it seriously. So that's done, out of the way. Did a little story reposting, a little advertising, and then going on my personal page and reposting and resharing, because that's how I get it to my audience. And I want to be more vocal about the things that I have been volunteering with to my community, because literally, I want y'all to show up. Hello. So if you are a UCF alum, if you're an alumni, hey, follow UCF Black Alumni Instagram page. We're having a general body meeting in 2 weeks. And then if you are in the design community, creative community of Philadelphia, join AIGA. We are a professional design organization, and we are going to be doing a little celebration of the Lunar New Year coming up, which I think that's going to be my new year, because I didn't really come into the new year with set goals resolutions, plans. I'm here with vibes. I didn't have a chance to rest or relax going into it because I was hosting my family, and it was nice, but it was a lot, and there was no rest or relaxation or time to just think about what I want my life to look like. So I think I'm gonna be celebrating my new year along with the year of the snake. Yeah. But anyway, I'm using this clip as just like a reintroduction to me, my content, me on YouTube. But truly the main reason that I dropped off is life started happening, and I was like a full-time entrepreneur, but then I got on a contract that I'm currently still on, that I chose to extend because stability, okay? We love a weekly paycheck. Not having time to vlog, not having time to edit really, and also my life was just looking so mundane and like the same. Which I get, like there's moments when it's like, okay, like we all live a mundane lifestyle. Like once you get into a routine of doing the same thing, it looks the same. But it wasn't like exciting for me to vlog and stuff like that. But I've gone on some trips here and there. I went to Config in San Francisco in June. I went to Japan in August. So I have like content from there that, who knows, I might edit it. And I might still post it because I literally saw a thread today that said that like content doesn't expire for real. So who knows? Let me not hype myself up. This clip is getting long enough, so I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. We're 2 for 2 on our daily clip challenge for the vlog, so already feeling good. But today's Tuesday the 14th. I am having a regular work day and that sort of thing, but in the midst of my work day, I do have like my own work day. I am about to have a meeting, well, not about to, in like 2 hours or an hour and a half. I'm about to have a meeting with a client, kind of circling back in the new year on a logo project that was supposed to end in December. But working with teams, especially like government projects, you know, things are always delayed and denied. Don't we know that? Okay. So I keep wanting to say I talked about this in a previous vlog, but y'all never saw that footage. So you have no context on this project because I did talk about it a lot in some of my vlog recordings that I have in the abyss. But basically, I got this project pretty much the same time that I started this contract job. So a lot was happening for me over the summer in 2024. Onboarding, a whole bunch of different stuff. But there was a lot of like delays and stuff like that because this is their first time working with somebody like me, a designer, a contractor. So like they didn't know what documents they needed to have and all of that. So it took a minute to onboard, but once we got started pretty much in like August or so, things got rolling. The design process, I'm not gonna say it went smoothly. And I think the thing with working with teams where there's multiple people, you know, everybody has something to say, there's a lot of cooks in the kitchen, things just take a little bit longer. A lot of over explaining for me, like explaining my design decisions, my research findings and all of that. It was a lot of that. And so that took some time. But then they have to go through a process where they have to get like collect public feedback, which I was a little like, oh, like y'all are showing my designs to like strangers, like wait, I'm sensitive. But they had to do that and then get the findings and give the report back. So that's kind of what we're going to be going over. They sent the feedback in last night and immediately I don't agree. And so what's happening? All right. I don't agree with the changes that they're requesting, but at this point, I am moving forward with what they want because I did all of my over explaining. I did all my pushback. I did all of that in like September, October, when it was just me and the team working together through this. Who's this? But yeah, I'm kind of just wanting to wrap up this project as soon as possible and get my money. So I need to revisit the files that I even sent them because it's been a while and I really don't remember what was the last presentation I gave them, the files and all of that. So I need to go refresh my memory.
I have a song stuck in my head. It's the
Give me a hint.
What song is that? Maya and Jay-Z.
Even though I want to see, they put that thing on me.
I don't know why that's in my head. That's the new remix. That's what it's called.
Yeah, that's a bot right there. What? Right? What? Did you like randomly hear that on the way to work or something?
No, this is my brain. Just randomly.
I love it. That's a good song. What I want to ensure is that that basically this stays exactly the same how you intended it to be in this redesign that you did. So that's why asking for the source files is the best way, instead of me kind of having to vectorize it. It may not, I mean, because of like the corners and that sort of thing, I just would rather get the source files from the source person. Basically, as a designer, we would always have those type of vector files, whether or not that's what originally got sent to you. It may not have been, but that may be something that person still has on their computer, so it doesn't hurt to ask.
Yeah, to me, because I didn't have them send me the support files for it like I would do for another project, because to me it felt like what I had him do is like the equivalent to like if you sent me your file and I just hand drew it on a page. You get what I'm saying? So I can check to see if he did the other files, but I didn't.
Girl,
yes.
No, and that's totally fine. We're kind of getting back into the swing of things with these marketing meetings. I think I hosted 2 starting in the fall, and then life, and so we're kind of just getting back into the swing of things. So I myself am like here to observe but also host the meeting. So, you know, we're in this together. My goal with hosting these meetings monthly is to kind of just get everybody kind of synchronized on all of our marketing related to events, initiatives, and the like for the month ahead. So technically we're in the middle of January, so we're going to be talking about what's kind of going on in January, but also get into February a little bit as well. And also this is a place for us to kind of brainstorm for anybody who does have like something going on that maybe we want to talk about, like what content ideas can we brainstorm on to help with the marketing efforts. So yeah, that's kind of the gist of the marketing meeting. It's relaxed, it's low key, it's very casual. I have an Olipop in a wine glass. Like, this is my vibe. So, and yeah, I will speak to everybody very soon. Bye, guys.
See you guys.
And we're done for the night. Cheers.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving to the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my biggest shit. Just a stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit.
Listen, just give me a second, okay? I do look like what I've been through. It's Saturday, and it's the morning after. It's the morning after, yeah. This is how I know that I am, I don't know how to vlog anymore. Because I left y'all here. I forgot y'all here. I meant to bring y'all out with me for the shenanigans. But you know, y'all, it's okay. You guys were responsible. You guys stayed home, went to sleep at an appropriate time, and didn't drink. I mean, I don't know about that part, but you guys were the responsible ones. But yeah, it's Saturday morning. I don't think I vlogged Thursday. Did I vlog on Thursday? I don't think I did. Yesterday I should have vlogged because I had quite the day. I'm not gonna recap everything, but I mean it's not like super exciting. Mainly I did some content yesterday because I was inspired by Unrivaled Basketball League. If you know, you know. If you don't, basically women's basketball is on and popping with a whole new thing, and their marketing campaign and rollout has been fire. So I did a little video case study, get ready with me, and filmed, edited, and posted it on, I was about to say TikTok, RIP, maybe not, I don't know, but I posted it on Instagram yesterday, so y'all go check that out. But that took up the majority of my day. Don't ask me about my regular job. And then I had to go into the city and do city things, and I was out, happy hour, oysters and bar hopping, and just a time. I was supposed to get up and go work out this morning, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I think what is gonna happen is I need to prep myself and my house for this snow that's coming tomorrow and these below freezing temperatures that's coming tomorrow. So that's what we're gonna do today, and this is probably me wrapping up the vlog, so y'all have a good one. Nueva York. Si te quieres divertir, con encanto y con ritmo, solo tienes que vivir. ¿Pero qué es eso? Un verano en Nueva York, Nueva York.
Pésame, no me aguantes, pésame, Puerto Rico.
Como va Bunny va a tener el pop, con reggaetón y dembow, con reggaetón y dembow, con reggaetón y dembow, como va Bunny va a tener el pop. Cuidado que nadie nos escuche. Cuidado que nadie nos escuche. Cuidado. Baby, I like it so.
Ella viene por ahí y nunca llega sola. Ella nunca llega sola. Todos los bandidos sueltan la pistola. Esta noche lo que hay.